Turning an old broken umbrella into a stunning yellow rose planter. Crafting a stunning, unique sofa frame using raw wood slices. Building a stylish, rustic wooden pallet TV console with shelves. Building a sleek live edge wooden desk with LED accent lighting. Creating modern wall art using wooden slats and broken mirror. Sculpting a giant, realistic wooden feather wall art for decor. Creating a breathtaking cascading flower waterfall wall display from basket. Designing an elegant floating live edge wooden TV setup with lights. Molding a textured concrete planter using recycled paper egg cartons. Making a glowing outdoor garden pathway using colorful glass marbles. Turning an old tire into a burnt wood planter on wheels. Building an elegant TV console unit using natural tree branch legs. Crafting a rustic outdoor chair and table using old tires.